All right, here's the second one. Hopefully you got the first one to watch. I'm watching it upload to the YouTube, so by the time I finish this one, it should be ready to go. All right, this time they're going to give you the rules, and you are going to have to graph it. So I'm definitely going to use my cool little zone thing. So here's what you got. You're going from negative infinity, so all the way on the left side of the graph, to x equals 2. All right, then from 2 to 5, and then from 8 to infinity. Okay, so we'll do these one at a time. Now, here's what I would do. Okay, from negative infinity to 2, here's 2 about right here. Okay, so, all right, our first graph is going to be in this part of just this part right here. Okay, our second part is going to go from 2 to 5, so it's going to be in this part. And then the last part is going to go from 8 on this way. All right, so keep that in mind. Sometimes I leave these little lines up, kind of make them dashed, but you definitely don't have to. Okay, so here's the first one. Remember, f of x is just a fancy way of writing y. So this first equation is y equals -3. All right, so that's where this is. And that occurs from negative infinity to 2. So here's y equals -3 right here, okay? So remember, the bracket means it's included. So I'm going to put a little dot here because I want to include it. And then I'm going to draw the line y equals -3. So that's the first part of my graph, okay? And that's my second part is this part, and it's really y equals +3, but it's only going to go from 2 to 5. Now, notice we got a parentheses, so that means we're not going to include 2. It's going to be an open circle. Hopefully you learned about that or you remember that. So let me scroll up a little bit. So we got a +3, so we're going to start right here. Let's see if I can get this. Run 2. So it's going to look just like that. All right, that takes care of this part. Can you see that down here? And then we're going to go to 5, which is right here. So I'm going to fill that circle in because the bracket means I include it. Okay? So first one is here, second one is there. And now let's take a look at the last one. The last one is y equals 5, but it's going to start at 8. See the parentheses, so it's going to be an open circle, and it's going to go to the right. So y equals 5. Well, that graph looks like this. It's up here, and it starts at 8. So here, right here, open circle, and it goes this way forever. Okay? So that is how we do that one. Okay? All right, you watched those two. I only did one on that first page, so you let me know if that, if you want me to do some more. And I'm not sure how long these will take to get to you. All right? All right, kiddo. We'll see you.